We're going. We're live. Time to go get some fried chicken, baby. Oh, yeah, buddy. That guy looks sketchy as fuck. They really be throwing the high-vis vests to anyone these days. Surprise, hi. But sir, actually, I was only doing 15 over.
Really, Nick?
What happened here? What happened here? Thank you, my friends. Oh!
Whoa, brother! Whoa! Now you got too much dip on your chip.
Whoa! Holy shit! They flew up and hit the pole. They fucked up. Jeep's going wild. Country boys wouldn't know what this is like. City boys don't know what the Jeep life's like. It's all about putting it in four-wheel drive, sliding right off the road and hitting the telephone pole.
Daddy, chill.
Sometimes I hit him with the, I saw it, dude.
Hello.
Nancy, clip the lawn.
Good night, girl.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Come on, Lincoln. They call me Solid Snake. No reason. Oh my god. It's the new Tacoma. Someone's getting a Bentley delivered here. It would be a shame if I drove right into it. That's a fucking nice Bentley. That's a Mulsanne. Yeah, he looked right at me.
You know how close I got to get popped tonight? Cause you fucked up.
Looking like Colin Farrell out here, bro. The Ice Boy. Whee! Just make it say 35. School zone. Blind, deaf, kid area, caution. It would be a shame if we riled up the horses before they're going to race with our loud exhausts. Ow! Yeah, it's a nice Mark IV. Hell yeah. Got a little cart. Thanos cart! Hey, Mustang seats, you wanna sponsor me? I'd love a nice seat for my bike.
Yeah, they have comfy seats.
Look at that! Mustang seats! Use coupon code Dick and Balls for one of those.
Use coupon code Fuck Your Dad 69.
Oh yeah. We go to the left here, at this light. Do you see me? Oh, I... Well. Almost fucking slipped and ate shit. The Audi? I don't know. Alright, do a burnout over to Pride
Stupid.
Crosswalk.
I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Oh god, fuck them queers.
What the fuck's going on here? We got a Tesla trying to parallel park, but he don't know how the fuck he doing it.
One, two, three, four.
That guy's like a highlighter. Look at that brother mobile.
That thing is sexy.
Nah, that is right there, brother.